keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay.
Hi everyone, I'm Anya Charday, and thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and click the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So today's video, out of the 5 days of Christmas tutorials, which is when I just do a tutorial every day leading up to Christmas, whether it's with lip tutorial, eye tutorial, or face. And today is my updated eyebrow tutorial. And as you're seeing me now, I am just using my LA Girl concealer in medium beige to pretty much shape up my eyebrows. I didn't trim them or nothing. I wanted them to look as natural as possible, so you can see that I like to perfect them even when I don't trim them. And I really don't have a lot of natural hair there, which is why I fill in. But using that LA Girl concealer in medium beige helps frame my eyebrows so I know what I'm working with. It's like a cheat sheet, if you will. And I'm using this brow pomade by Maybelline. It's their tattoo studio in, I believe it's like medium. I'll have it in medium brown. I'll have the information description box below. Now it came with this awesome brush that's on one end is like an angular brush and on the other end is a spoolie. I actually received this from the VIP package when I went to BeautyCon this year in LA. But I would definitely buy this. I think this is awesome. I like pomades, but I've never experienced this kind of pomade where it dries down as a powder. So it looks so natural, because some pomades just look very unnatural, whereas it's like an oily based situation where it looks like you drew on your eyebrows, and who wants that look? So I love this because it dries like a powder as if it's your own natural hair growing from your face. So this is my go-to now. I am in love. This is missing piece to the puzzle, because I have other eyebrow tutorials up and you can definitely check them out if you like. I am just more into this, and usually even with the other videos I don't do as much. I just like to fill in my eyebrows, and yeah, that's pretty much my go-to. And I will say this is smudge proof. It does say that it's smudge proof and sweat proof, which is what you want. You want your eyebrows to stay in place. I mean, you put in the work, you don't want them to move. And right now I am just perfecting the top of my eyebrow, and I like to use that same LA Girl concealer to really define it on top. However, I go over with my foundation of choice for this eyebrow tutorial. I will say I did use my foundation, the Maybelline foundation, Fit Me in 330 on top, because typically you would use a shade that's closer to your skin tone on top and a lighter shade on bottom to add the lifted eyebrow on bottom, and on top to make sure it blends perfectly with your face, your foundation of choice. And you're just seeing me now seal in my eyebrows using my E.l.f. Cosmetics Concealer, and this just really helps, be, extra duty protective from any smudge or waterproof experience. This is the extra, if you will, that I am needing, and it also makes it look so natural too, even more with the spoolie and a product that's clear base. And if you did not know, I'm a partner with Astrology Trends, and if you're interested in buying any of their pieces, whether it's jewelry or this t-shirt, which is astrology and zodiac based company, use my discount code and get a percentage off. And that completes the look. Let me know if you love the video by liking it and commenting below. Mwah. See you in the next video. Bye.
Snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. How long a cabin out